Welcome to the presence of God, where you continue everyday living under God's protection and perfect love. The Lord speaks in your situations today. Welcome to our daily devotion. We want to welcome you to our broadcast. Please subscribe and like for more Bible-based videos, and thank you for watching. When your spirit feels tired, when the weight of life feels too heavy, when you need God to step in, listen to His promises. Let His word breathe life into you. God delivers His people. Psalm 18:2. God is your fortress and deliverer. Psalm 34:4. He delivers from fears. Nahum 1:7. He knows those who trust in Him. God does not abandon His children. He steps into the darkness and pulls you into His light. You may feel trapped by circumstances or past mistakes, but God is breaking those chains. He knows your name. He knows your struggle, and He is making a way out for you right now. Believe that your deliverance is arriving. God is your help. Psalm 54:4. The Lord is the one who sustains you. Psalm 118:7. The Lord is with you. He is your helper. Isaiah 57. The Lord helps you, so you will not be ashamed. Help is not coming from people. Help is coming from heaven. Stop looking to the left and the right for support. Look up. Your help is divine, constant, and unstoppable. God is stepping into your situation today to uphold you and ensure you are never put to shame. God provides for you. Psalm 37:25. The righteous are never forsaken. Matthew 7:11. Your Father gives good gifts. 2 Corinthians 9:8. God makes all grace abound, so you have all you need. Provision is not a question for God. It is His nature to take care of you. If you are worried about your finances or your family's future, rest in the promise that your Father is a giver of good gifts. He has already prepared the way for your needs to be met before you even ask. God lifts your head. Psalm 145:14. He lifts up all who are bowed down. Job 22:29. When you are cast down, God says, lift up. Micah 7:8. Though you fall, you will rise. God will not let you stay low. He lifts your spirit, your hope, and your future. This is for the person who feels defeated today. God is restoring your confidence. He is lifting your head so you can see the victory He has already won for you. Look up and see His glory shining on your path. God fights for believers. Psalm 35:1. Lord, contend with those who contend with me. Isaiah 54:17. No weapon formed against you will prosper. Psalm 44:3. It was God who fought for them. You are not fighting alone. God Himself steps into the battle. Hand your battles over to God today. You don't have to carry the sword. He is your defender. Be still and watch as He overcomes every obstacle and every enemy in your path. The battle belongs to the Lord. God sets captives free. Psalm 146:7. The Lord sets prisoners free. Romans 8:2. The Spirit sets you free from bondage. Galatians 5:1. Christ has set you free. Stand firm. Every chain has a breaking point, and God is the one who breaks it. What has been holding your soul captive? Is it anxiety? Is it a habit you can't break? Today, the Spirit of God is releasing you. Walk out of that prison. Your doors are wide open. You are free indeed in His presence. God answers prayer. Psalm 145:18-19. He fulfills the desires of those who fear Him. Mark 11:24. Believe you have received, and it will be yours. Psalm 66:19. God has surely listened and heard my prayer. Your prayers are not empty words. Don't give up on your prayer. God has heard every word, even the ones you couldn't speak. He is moving right now to bring the answer that is perfectly suited for your life. Trust His timing and His heart. God is found by those who seek Him. Deuteronomy 4:29. You will find Him when you seek Him. 1 Chronicles 28:9. If you seek Him, He will be found by you. Hosea 10:12. Seek the Lord until He comes and rains righteousness. God is not hiding. Spend a few moments in the quiet today. Turn off the noise and just seek His face. He is right there with you, waiting to pour out His love and His wisdom into your soul. Every step toward Him is met with His grace. God is near the brokenhearted. Psalm 9:9. The Lord is a refuge for the oppressed. Isaiah 57:15. God dwells with the contrite and lowly. Lamentations 3:22-23. His mercies are new every morning. Your pain is not invisible. If your heart is heavy today, let God be your refuge. He isn't asking you to be strong. He is asking you to let Him be your strength. He is holding you in His arms right now, healing the broken places with His touch. God gives joy, rest, and good things. Psalm 16:11. In His presence is fullness of joy. Jeremiah 31:25. He refreshes the weary and satisfies the faint. Psalm 84:11. He withholds no good thing from those who walk uprightly. God restores joy. Open your heart to the goodness of God today. He wants to surprise you with His favor. Expect joy, expect rest, and expect the good things He has promised to manifest in your life. He refreshes you even as you wait. God delivers His people. Psalm 40:1-2. He lifted me out of the pit and set my feet on solid ground. 2 Samuel 22:20. He rescued me because He delighted in me. Psalm 91:14-15. He will deliver those who love Him. God rescues you today. God does not leave you where trouble found you. He pulls you out and places you on steady ground. He rescues you simply because He loves you and delights in your soul. Your feet are on the rock of ages. God is your help. Psalm 28:7. The Lord is my strength and my shield. Hebrews 13:6. The Lord is my helper, I will not fear. Psalm 33:20. Our help and shield is the Lord. Your help is not in people, timing, or luck. God never fails. Your help is in the God who created the heavens and the earth. When you feel weak, He is your strength. When you feel vulnerable, He is your shield. You have no reason to fear because He is by your side. God provides for you. Psalm 34:10. Those who seek the Lord lack no good thing. Genesis 22:14. The Lord will provide. Psalm 145:15-16. He opens His hand and satisfies every living thing. Provision is His everyday kindness toward you. Look back at how God has provided for you in the past. He is the same God today. He will provide for your children, your career, and your dreams. Provision is not a miracle for Him. It is His nature. God lifts your head. Psalm 9:10. Those who trust in Him are never forsaken. Isaiah 41:13. He takes you by the hand and says, do not fear. Psalm 31. You lifted me up and did not let my enemies rejoice over me. God restores you. God lifts your spirit when life tries to push you down. He restores confidence, hope, and dignity. He takes you by the hand today and whispers, do not be afraid, for I am with you. Your head is held high. God fights for believers. Psalm 138:7. Though I walk in trouble, you preserve my life. Isaiah 59:19. When the enemy comes in like a flood, the Spirit of the Lord lifts a standard. Psalm 17:7. God saves those who take refuge in Him. You are not fighting this battle alone. God stands between you and every attack. When the enemy tries to flood your life with trouble, the Spirit of the Lord raises a standard of victory and protection. God sets captives free. Jeremiah 38. I will break the yoke from your neck. Romans 6:14. Sin will not have dominion over you. Psalm 32:7. You surround me with songs of deliverance. Freedom is your inheritance in God. He breaks the yoke. Today is your Independence Day. Whatever has been trying to dominate your thoughts or your actions is losing its power. God has declared you free, and He is surrounding you with songs of deliverance even now. God answers prayer. Psalm 34:15. His ears are open to your cry. Matthew 21:22. Whatever you ask in prayer, believing, you will receive. Psalm 17:6. I call on you, for you will answer me. Your prayers rise before God. Be specific in your prayers today. God is listening to the details of your heart. Believe as you ask and watch how He opens doors that no man can shut. Your prayers are reaching the throne of grace. God is found by those who seek Him. 2 Chronicles 15:2. If you seek Him, He will be found by you. Psalm 105:4. Seek His presence continually. Isaiah 55:6. Seek the Lord while He may be found. God is not far from you. He is near. Make seeking God your first priority. When you put Him first, everything else falls into its proper place. Experience the joy of His presence and the peace that comes from being found by Him today. God is near the brokenhearted. Psalm 31:7. You saw my affliction and knew the anguish of my soul. Isaiah 66:13. As a mother comforts her child, so will I comfort you. Psalm 73:26. God is the strength of my heart forever. He sits with you. Let God's comfort wash over you like a warm, gentle breeze. He knows your anguish, and He is here to heal every broken piece of your heart. You are precious, honored, and loved beyond all measure by Him. God gives joy, rest, and good things. Psalm 126:5. Those who sow in tears will reap with joy. Isaiah 40:29-31. He renews the strength of the weary. Psalm 65:11. You crown the year with goodness. Joy is coming to you now. Celebrate the small victories today. Joy is a gift from God, and He is pouring it out on you. Rest in the knowledge that His goodness is following you every single day of your life. Strength is returning. God delivers His people. Psalm 34:19. The Lord delivers from all afflictions. Isaiah 12:2. He has become my salvation. Psalm 97:10. He guards the lives of His faithful ones and delivers them. God steps in and rescues. Trust that God is your personal deliverer. No matter the size of the affliction, His saving power is greater. He is restoring what has been lost and rescuing you from every storm that tries to arise. God is your help. Psalm 121-78. The Lord watches over your coming and going. Psalm 118-14. The Lord is my strength and my song. Isaiah 41:2-13. He takes hold of your hand and says, do not fear. God is with you. Feel His hand holding yours right now. You don't have to figure everything out on your own. God is guiding you, sustaining you, and giving you a song of victory to sing in every season. God provides for you. Deuteronomy 2:7. The Lord has blessed you in all the work of your hands. Psalm 37:3. Dwell in the land and enjoy safe pasture. Matthew 6:26. Your Father feeds the birds. He will care for you. God knows. God provides for you. Deuteronomy 2:7. The Lord has blessed you in all the work of your hands. Psalm 37:3. Dwell in the land and enjoy safe pasture. Matthew 6:26. Your Father feeds the birds. He will care for you. God knows. Trust in God's abundance today. He cares for you far more than the birds of the air. Expect His blessings to flow into your life and provide for everything you need for your family and your future. God lifts your head. Psalm 145:14. He upholds all who fall. Isaiah 40:31. He renews your strength like the eagle. Psalm 27:1. The Lord is the strength of your life. God lifts you from discouragement into hope. He is near. Let go of discouragement today. God is renewing your strength and lifting you high. You have the power of the Most High King within you. Walk in your divine authority and see His goodness. God fights for believers. Psalm 18:17. He rescued me from my strong enemy. Isaiah 59. The sovereign Lord helps me. Who will condemn me? Psalm 26. He answers His anointed with saving power. God stands with you. The battle is already won. God has already rescued you and is standing guard over your life. Rest in His victory and know that no one can successfully condemn or defeat you. Your victory is sealed. God sets captives free. Psalm 107:16. He breaks gates of bronze and cuts bars of iron. Romans 8:1-2. No condemnation, the Spirit sets you free. Isaiah 42:7. He opens blind eyes and releases prisoners from darkness. Freedom. Experience the freedom that comes from God's truth. Every iron bar and bronze gate is falling away today. You are free to live, free to love, and free to fulfill your divine purpose. Walk in freedom. God answers prayer. Psalm 121. I called to the Lord and he answered me. Mark 9:23. All things are possible to the one who believes. Psalm 4:3. The Lord hears when I call to him. God responds to your cry. He moves. Bring your impossible situations to God in prayer today. He is the God of the impossible. Trust that he hears your voice and is already moving to bring the answer you need for your situation. God is found by those who seek him. Psalm 27:8. My heart says, seek his face. Amos 5:4. Seek me and live. Isaiah 55:7. Return to the Lord, and he will have mercy. God is waiting for you with open arms and deep love. Seek the Lord with expectation today. He wants to show you his mercy and his love. Let your heart's desire be to know him more, and you will find everything you need in his presence. Seek him now. God is near the brokenhearted. Psalm 31:24. Be strong and take heart, all you who hope in the Lord. Isaiah 43:4. You are precious and honored in my sight. Psalm 62:8. Pour out your heart before him. God is your refuge. He is here. Pour out your heart to God today. He can handle your pain and your questions. He is holding you close and honoring your life with his healing, his comfort, and his ever-present refuge. You are loved. God gives joy, rest, and good things. Psalm 90:14. Satisfy us in the morning with your unfailing love. Jeremiah 31:13. I will turn their mourning into joy. Psalm 103:2. Forget not his benefits. Joy is returning. Rest is coming. Wake up with expectation every day. God's mercies are new, and his benefits are many. Experience the joy of being loved by the Creator and rest in his perfect goodness today. He is turning your mourning to joy. God cares for your children. Isaiah 54:13. All your children shall be taught by the Lord, and great shall be their peace of your children. He is true to his word and will help them, deliver them, and restore them. Believe. You don't have to worry about their future. God will teach them, lead them, and give them the aptitude to learn and succeed in all they do. Your children are secure in the hands of the living God. Speak life. Proverbs 22:6. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. God will deliver your children, restore them, and help them to thrive. Your legacy is secure in him. Believe it today. Speak these promises over your children right now. God is working in their lives, preparing them for success and surrounding them with his protection and his wisdom. They are a blessing from the Lord. God will deliver you. God will help you. God will lift you. God will fight for you. God will restore you. You are not alone. Let these promises carry you today and every day. Trust in his faithfulness. You will rise again. You will see the goodness of God in the land of the living. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Bible-based content. Trust in God's faithfulness. You will rise again. God is true to his word. Trust him now. Lubin. As you continue in this atmosphere of reflection, let these promises sink deep into your soul. God is your fortress, your provider, and your friend. He is with you right now, in this very moment. Trust in his faithfulness. You will rise again. You will see the goodness of God in the land of the living. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Bible-based content. Lubin.